everyone, anglers, YouTubers. I am in Key Largo, and I will be fishing Blackwater Sound. Very excited. Hopefully we'll be providing some very good content. We will be in the Swamp Thing, which I will get closer to it. We will be using the new rod. And the reel is a Sahara with a bait buster, motor oil. Very excited. We'll be back. Oh, and we have to deal with shrimp and the other falcon. We'll be back with the fish. Got the tackle box ready, locked and loaded. Hopefully we get them. On the Swamp Thing. Bye guys. This is our setup. Looks great. Backcountry setup right here. Swamp Thing is on a blank. We're going. Swamp Thing made it. We are here. Very proud of this boat. What a great ride. Smooth ride all the way here across the Blackwater Sound, which is flat calm, as you can see. We're gonna anchor up around here, see what we can get. Beautiful boat. Digging it, guys. Digging it. The jacks got here. Nice fish. Nice. First fish of the Swamp Thing. That was hard. Oh. First fish of our trip is from Mr. Gabriel Gill.
That's right, here we go.
That's right, there he is. Let's get this release. There he goes. Nice fish. Changing spots. First cast. Oh yeah, you got him. Mila, you got him. What is it, Mila? You saw it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Nice fish, Mila.
Yes, Jack.
Still, it's pretty cool how he hit it. There's a school of jacks right there.
Well, all three of us can stand on one side, Mike, so...
Yeah. Sorry. Oh, it's a frenzy. It's a double hookup soon. She got one. Oh, there he is. Double hookup. Double hookup. Oh, I got a different fish. What? That is cool, man. So she got a jack and I got a mangrove snapper from all the mayhem. Really cool stuff. Hopefully the snooker coming later. It's a beautiful hook set, beautiful fish. There he is. Mangrove snapper. Let's see it, Mila. Nice catch. Oh, shit. Okay. So, Mila's on another jack. She's killing the top water. Mila, you fight fish real good. Just flip them in.
Yeah, I'm not double hooked. That's it.
It's a big old jack. Wow. Beautiful jack caught by Mila on the top water. I was gonna say use the pliers, no? Oh, nice, John. Beautiful release. Nice fish, though. Might be a ladyfish, but this is a nice fish. Oh, wow. Very aggressive fish. Might be a jack. Yeah, it's fighting like a jack. Yeah. There he is. I got him. Destroyed this DOA shrimp. Jack.